Zimbabwe's political and legal circles were rocked this week after the High Court authorized the seizure of assets belonging to outspoken lawyer and former Citizen Coalition for Change spokesperson Fadza Mahere in a dramatic fallout from a bruising defamation fight with the Youth Empowerment Minister Tinoda Machakaire. Zabeda mashikobranyi kwachinzi High Court clears asset seizure against Fadza Mahere in Machakaire defamation cost battle. Don't subscribe or like out on the bell icon. Tipita mnaumo bdanyi kwamchinzi. The order clears the way for officials to recover $33,395 in legal costs awarded to Machakaire following a ruling issued on 7 March 2026. The courtroom clash stems from fiery social media posts Mahere made in July 2025, which she questioned Machakaire's alleged links to an $8 million vehicle import tax evasion scandal and challenged the origins of his wealth. A post culminated in the appointed remark, "We need new leaders." Machakaire's lawyers blasted the statements as defamatory and damaging to his reputation. The case adds fresh intrigue to Zimbabwe's legal theater, especially after Mahere herself won a similar defamation battle against author Bettina Gapa in 2024, when the court ordered damages and bailiffs attached Gapa's property to enforce payment. Ndoma developments ari kuda panguva ino akashamisa vanhu tiona kuti Fadza Mahere panguva ino aiwa kuchinokunzi zvigananda zvoya zvomuataka zvake panguva ino zvinzi aiwa ari kuita defamation panguva ino nemaposts aanoita achiti we need new leaders. Zvinozivikanwa kunzi Mahere anoexposa deep corruption inenge ichiitika muZimbabwe pamwechete nevanhu vanenge vachioccupya matop government post, but panguva ino voya vachikwanisa kuzovakunda kana mumacourtrooms noda kwokuti vanenge vachizivikanwa kunzi vanowane proximity yakawanda kupawa kudarika vanhu vakaita sana Mahere. Kana comment section medu zofungirwa imi muri kudii pamusoro pechitiko ichi. So subscribe or like, chat on the bell icon.